Hello, YouTube. I am doing something really impulsive today. I'm going to be moving our couch downstairs and moving the sectional upstairs. And I'm going to change the sectionals covers that are in the washing machine right now. My sister's staring at me weird because I'm talking to a camera. Yo. Weirdo.
Baby, baby, no one can, baby, yeah.
My husband is moving down the couch cushions downstairs, and then there's going to be a sectional here, and I'm excited because I actually wanted a sectional here and not a couch. So
You already know, ya tú sabes.
ya tú sabes.
You want me to get rid of the chairs?
Yeah.
I forgot about that. Like lift and twist.
Yep.
Get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard.
All right, so we moved our couch or sectional that was in the basement, and we moved it to the living room. I got some new pillow covers for the existing pillows that we have in the living room. I'm going to change those out and put some new ones as part of the refresh for the living room. And we also got a new rug that will be going in the living room as well. It's larger. It's going to cover up more space. Thinking of moving the accent chairs or doing something with those just to make the space a lot more cohesive. So let's go ahead and get our package that is sitting outside of the house. It has the juice, it has the juice. Oh, wow. These are pretty. I like this. Wow. Okay. The back is velvet. Ah, so cute. We have this. That is so pretty. It has like leather. Oh my gosh. These are so nice. My chef. Ryan's cooking dinner and I'm gonna help him. And then after I help him, I'm going to put the new pillow covers on the pillows. We'll see what it looks like, and hopefully it works out. Ooh, that look good, don't it? And there we have it, folks. New couch cushions. Cushion, not cushions. Ryan is struggling to put in the last one. Got him to help me with those. But those are the new couch cushions. They're so cute. They are so cute. I love them. I love them. Now we gotta get a new coffee table because this one is messed up. See, that's why I asked him to help me because I was struggling with it. The rug is coming, I think, Monday or next Tuesday. It's gonna look so different in here. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm still on the internet trying to find a new coffee table. I did find one that I really liked, but it was like $300. I'm not spending $300 on a coffee table. Oh, and by the way, these couch cushions cost me, so the one that has the brown leather stripe, those cost me $19.99 or $18.99 for a set of 2. The black ones that are kind of like waffle, and they are like a pleather texture. Let me get up close. Those cost $19.99 for the 2 set. So I'll actually put a link in the bio for those cushions if you're interested in getting those. This blanket is an IKEA throw pillow or throw blanket that I got like maybe 5-6 months ago. But I'll definitely drop the link to that if you are interested in that. Of course, it's all ripped up and the seam or the threads are coming out, all because of this child right here. That's what happens when you have cats. You have threads pulled out of everything. And that one over there also helped. Yep, I'm talking to you. He helped. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get the rug. There's also some other things that I want to do in here. I'm not sure yet. I know that I still have like this entertainment area behind me. I wanted to bring the shelves up to the ceiling, and I wanted to finish adding the 2 doors left over. I've been waiting for like months for those doors to come back in stock. That's the only reason why we don't have them. But I think they're back in stock. If they've gone out of stock again, then I gotta wait because I've been procrastinating on getting them. I'm just excited for you guys to see all the changes that I'm doing. But yeah, I need to reconfigure this room. As you can see, the rug is way too small for this space. I'm getting a bigger one. I'm getting an 8x10. This one is a 6x9. The 8x10 should be the exact size of what I'm looking for. We're gonna get a circle table. Now putting this on camera, I realized that the couch is not centered at all. So we're gonna have to move it over and center the couch to the pictures. I really want to do something with this back wall. I think it could have a little bit more pizzazz, a lot more character. Part of me wants to paint it. Another part of me is like, no, but we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing here. Hi everyone. I got something in the mail that I'm really happy about. My rug is here. So I'm going to take this one up and put this one down. And I'm gonna move the sectional to the other side so I can have more space.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said.
Next weekend, I'm going to be hosting a paint and sip with my friends, and a couple of his friends are coming, and so I wanted to make some gift bags for them where we're going to be putting their paint supplies actually in the gift bags and then kind of gifting them to them, and they can bring them home or do whatever they want with it. Ryan and I are gonna go ahead and set up those bags for everyone, and I'm just gonna set this on a time lapse and have you guys watch us put these bags together.
Dreaming, 'cause baby you said keeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart.
Finally finished all the gift bags and they look so good. I'm really looking forward to this party. Going back to our living room, I want to show you guys what I did to the two side chairs. I made a couple updates there, so I'll go ahead and show you. Last night I went to IKEA to pick up my order because I wanted to get different seat covers for my side chairs. I went ahead and got like a blue black color. The chairs are called a co-op chair. I will put the link in the bio for these two chairs if you guys are interested in adding these to your house. My husband's putting on the covers for the other chair. I did that one in the back last night, so he's just doing the rest of the chair for me. And I also got our new coffee table. It's a nesting table and we are going to be putting that together. We're gonna say bye-bye to the nasty ripped up coffee table that was horrible. I will not recommend anyone buy that coffee table. It's from Target. It was on sale. It was cheap. It didn't last us even a year. The drawers don't even close all the way. The tops of the coffee table started ripping up, and I don't know if you guys can see, it's like bubbling at the top when people put their cups. And yes, we use coasters, but sometimes if we didn't use coasters, you know, things happen. Definitely would not recommend that coffee table at all. The one thing I love about IKEA furniture is if I want to change the covers out, I can do it at any time. If anyone makes a spill on these, I can literally take them off and put them in the washing machine and it's all good. And then I can just put the parts of the seat back on. That's the same thing for the couch. So this couch is actually a discontinued couch by IKEA. It's the Ector couch. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for $200, which was a steal. It's sectional. You can also take off the covers on this couch. So I've had a couple of people make accidental spills on it, and I was able to just take off the pieces of the couch and put it in the washer. So they upgraded the Ector couch to the Upland. This sectional is now the Upland sectional. That one's a little bit bigger and a little bit taller. We actually used to have the Upland couch. We still have it, but it's downstairs because we wanted a sectional up here. I'm going to be replacing these pictures and getting two big 24 by 37 picture frames from IKEA. They're really affordable at $22.99 each. I'm gonna get two big frames here. I'm going to move these pictures somewhere else around the house. There are many places where I can put this. I just need to figure out where I'm going to put them, but I will figure that out when the time comes.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted